everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, congratulations messages are pouring in for a South African actress Sive Mabuya, who's well known as Xolile on Scandal. Most people assumed that she got married last week after she posted some pictures with her partner. Her husband paid lobola January this year, and yes, last week guys they got married. Sive confirmed the news on her Instagram today, and this is her words. On Sunday, May 1st, surrounded by our loved ones, we celebrated our love and made it official. With 14 years of knowing each other already behind us, we look forward to the new journey of marriage ahead. Thank you for all the love and support during the most unforgettable day of our lives. Love, ANS. Hashtag Bukani Tina. And guys, yeah, congratulations to them. They've been together for 14 years and they have finally made it official. Sive Mabuya is 29 years of age this year. So Tina gesa senzi mete skoleni masiti minus 14 years in a relationship. It gives us 15 years. So I assume this guy was her first high school sweetheart, and that is beautiful, guys. We wish them all the best. And guys, that's all I have for today. To leave your comment below and share your opinion, and let's share some love, guys. Bye.